Get a feel for the 2023 Ford F-150. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.